Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about how to generate privacy policy for your application. So let's be started. First of all, you just need to open your browser and click on just type privacy policy for app and search it. Now you get this link, app privacy policy generator. Just open this link. I have put this link in my description box. You can just open this link. Okay, so we just open this. Now you have need to just put your all description part. You need to just add your app name, contact information, app type, mobile OS, and all details. Okay, you just need to fill this all details. So first of all, we just add my application name and the contact information. I fill this. My app is free. Now select your OS. My app is Android. And developer name, you can just type your application name or you can just type your developer name. Just type it. And app name also type it and click on next. Include links to third-party services, then click on all services. If you have all services according to your application, just click on. Okay, now I have done all. I have these all services in my application. Just click on next and click on privacy policy. Now you have done all and the privacy policy generated. Okay, so just wait. And now you have just need to a unique email ID and password. You can use any one password, but you need to one email ID with one privacy policy. So just open this. My net is some slow, but just wait. Okay, now we need to just add one email ID. I have added this email ID. Just copy it that part and paste it in password. You can use any one password according to you and just click on deploy policy and terms. Now your privacy policy and terms and condition generated. Just wait 2 or 3 seconds. Now you can see this privacy policy and terms and condition for your application is ready. URL is also ready. And you can see this text also according to your privacy policy, and you can use this link according to application. Now you can check this all things and you can use this privacy policy and terms and condition. Now this is all steps for creating privacy policy and terms and condition for your application. You can use any one application, like if your application is Android application or iOS application or Unity application. You can use this website. If you have any query or doubt related to your application, then you can send me message in my Instagram or you can send me in message in my comment box. Thank you.